All right, buddy.
It's like gunshots going off out here. That's freaking crazy. What's funny is I just put my gun in my safe.
Really?
Yeah.
Stay strapped.
We pulled up. Christina goes, "Are those gunshots?" What?
I love a lower truck.
It is kind of. There's not as many people out here this time, but I feel like it's almost twice as hectic though. What sounds like gunshots. Oh, look, they got little RC cars. Look, you see?
Where?
On the ground over there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, 100% they're getting run over. I feel bad, but definitely. Oh, that's the one. This is the one you were talking about.
Yeah.
With
They got the Fussos too.
Porgiatos.
The Jeep. I saw a Wrangler with them.
Really?
Yeah.
I can call them Porgiatos because I got them too. Now that's clean. I like that. Lower truck, 26. What's going on here? Roast them.
Last night I drove through a meet at the baseball park off that road. I wasn't gonna put
it is. We'll blur it out.
Okay.
Or bleep it out.
Yeah, I was driving to Marietta to swap trucks, and I passed by and Hannah was like, "Oh, there's a truck." Oh, they're just wild. No, but I drove through it.
Anyway, yeah.
It was a bunch of kids, like
Really?
a bunch of teenagers, and I just kind of drove around. They all kind of looked.
And then you left?
I didn't even roll my window. I just rolled out.
Awkward and left. Shout out Brazil.
Dude, that's like a skin. See that? It's like a stretchy.
Oh, that's wild. That's Yeah, it does. Like a matte black or satin black almost. It looks good though. I need more light, huh?
That looks real good.
The fuel with the Fuel Forge wheels. I like that. Like a satin black. What we got? Like a super lift.
I like these.
Super lift. Look at with the traction bars. That's different. Fuel Forge.
Bro, you know what I was thinking about on my truck?
The ad bumper. It looks like an ad bumper maybe. Oh, jeez. That's loud. We have diverted away from the meat and to get something to eat. That actually rhymed.
Hey,
that rhymed pretty good. Oh, no!
Hey, come here for a second.
You look good over here. Can I just throw this out here that this was the first place that we ate when I moved to Georgia on YouTube. This was the first place. Just throwing that out there.
Coming off the gas tank.
That's so weird.
I siliconed them up and reran lines.
They're just like not sealed. They like, is it like a vacuum?
I broke one, yeah. I broke one and I've like re-rigged it.
We can't stay here.
Come on. You gotta get your camera face on.
So in the time that it took us to eat, they cleared the parking lot out behind us. They're pushing them out like roaches out there. That whole parking lot was filled and it is empty. Great way to end the night. Took about 20 minutes. Gone. Every bit of it. One lone cop car. One lone cop car.
I guarantee you take a ride up there and you go down that road, there's gonna be a couple people pulled over.
I was just here. Well, not here, but we get done at the truck meet and we wake up and immediately
Go to a car meet.
we outside.
Bro, my balls are shriveling up.
Okay. Didn't need to know that one.
See, I don't have you that much.
Yours is, your
Okay.
truck is just bigger and taller.
It's just a bigger body.
And your windows are taller too. Starbucks. If that makes sense to the people that... Boys, we made it into the show, baby. Is that Jacob over there? I just saw this kid last night. Oh my goodness. Jacob! Jacob!
What up, buddy?
I just saw you.
Did you?
Let me go. I just saw you last night.
I know.
Let me go park real quick.
I bet. It's fucking expensive.
I got $700. Now they're like 15. Yeah.
Right out here with the 20 foes, fender flares. Love my guy. I'm gonna find the one truck out here with some kind of decent wheels on it, you know. I like the JTX wheels though. With the adapters and the Venom tires. Color match on the front. Oh, I'm sure. With the Venoms, absolutely. It looks pretty good though. I'm sure they just towed something out here with it. Escalade V. That's freaking cool. I'd want to lift one of these.
You know what I really want to say? I hate them. A lot of people hate them.
That's freaking cool. I'd lift the hell out of one of these.
That'd be cool just to see it.
The one lifted Tahoe out here. 26-inch TIS in the rough country. The what, on top of the lift kit?
Two-wheel drive.
Man, it looks pretty good. It looks like something Mikey would build, to be honest with you. Mikey, I know Mikey that works with me doesn't watch the videos, but if by chance he sees this, 100% this looks like something he would build, 100%. Because he's building one right now. I don't even know what the... Oh, it's for sale. Hey, look, it's for sale. 12,000 buys it. 12,000 buys. It's a dually. Dually Chevy van.
That'd be a cool little hunt, really.
Definitely could see Thomas driving something like this. Absolutely. Rose gold. That's freaking cool. That's the color I should have did. Freaking rose gold. That's cool. Snow. I bet it's different to get down into a truck instead of having to get up into one.
Oh yeah. So I fall into my car.
And that will conclude our trip here at Caffeine and Octane. I do think the star of the show today, if I do say so myself, the bow tie and the Hummer. Star of the show, for sure. No. Best wrap, best lift kit over here, for sure. Don't play games with me. Best lift kit out here, 1,000%. 1,000%. Look, they.
Back to black spray. I sprayed all the plastic in the wheel.
Thomas out here with the McGoy's kit and the long tubes.
See him poking out in there.
I kind of want to cut this just a little bit.
Just to show them off. You should have got some kind of crazy color long tubes.
Well, I got them from Business Grade.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, they were. Yeah. I really like the truck. It turned out pretty good. 38s are the move for sure.
Oh yeah.
Throw some 38s on it and ride out.
Somebody come by this.
What? Come by the
By
the setup
37, 1350, or 20.
and the wheels, or just the tires?
I mean, somebody wants the wheels.
Come shop.
Wheels aren't worth anything.
Y'all stop
though.
playing and cash Thomas out so we can stun on him. Come buy my wheels too. We can get some black ones or something. Let's get his bread.
Bread gang.